God. December 18, 2026.
Alright, napanood nyo na yung official teaser trailer ng Avengers Doomsday and also my video reaction doon sa teaser trailer. Balita ko, this is the first teaser trailer, first of 4. So, nagulat kami no na pinalabas na bago mag-Christmas itong Steve Rogers teaser trailer for Avengers Doomsday. Na kung saan ginanap yung setting na ito sa ibang mundo ng Marvel Cinematic Universe. Kung natatandaan nyo, no, dun sa Avengers Endgame, bumalik si Steve Rogers sa ibang multiverse para masole yung mga Infinity Gems and also other things, no, like for example yung hammer ni Thor, for example. So marami pang nangyari. So nagpaiwan si Steve Rogers dun sa ibang timeline, ibang multiverse. At doon pinakita sa teaser trailer no ng Avengers Doomsday no na father na siya. Meron na siyang anak kay Peggy at yun yung magiging exciting part. Which is hindi natin alam kung yung Avengers Doomsday will continue sa mundo nung mundo na yon no. Ibang multiverse ng Avengers no or dun sa original timeline kung saan nangyari yung snap everything kung saan may rumors daw na buburahin daw yung other events after the Endgame. So, after this, baka palabas na yung kay Thor and then later on kay Doomsday and then maybe January yung entire team na ipakita sa Avengers Doomsday. So, nagkagulatan lahat, no? So, unfortunately, habang pinapanood ko yung teaser trailer, I'm wearing the Batman shirt. Sorry kasi galing ako sa labas at biglang lumabas yung trailer at gumawa kagad ako ng video reaction immediately habang pinapanood ko sa TV yung trailer. So yun, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Thank you for watching. It is the first, I think, Avengers Doomsday video na ginawa natin. No? So ayun, kita-kits. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Avengers Assemble. Alright.